Cathedral Park at the moment, we are currently upgrading a number of the Velux windows located on the top floor of the main cathedral building. The project's costing about 1.7 million and it's going to take approximately 10 months.
Velux windows are the slanted windows in the top floor of our studios. There's 4 of them in total in each room. 2 top ones which will be opened by a twisting rod for the residents to manually open and close. The lower 2 are remote controlled.
Cathedral Park's probably my most favourite property in the whole of the Unite Students portfolio. Been lucky enough to have the opportunity to work on a project of this nature, given the fact that the building was converted from a cathedral into student accommodation in 2012.
There's some beautiful features, not just the actual masonry of the building, but the grounds, the trees, the gardens, and also the upper school, which is adjoined to Cathedral Park. So it is a separate building, but it is also part of the history of the building.
The challenges we face to date are obviously it's a Grade 2 listed building, so multiple planning applications have gone in, months of work prior to us actually getting on site, and even after getting on site, starting any of the actual window replacement works. We've had in essence 4 months of scaffold works. We've had to put temporary roof structure to protect the rooms, the residents, plus our workers as well.
Cathedral Park is such a unique building. I think it offers our students something completely different to the norm and not kind of having a uniformed approach.